Hello everyone. If you guys are looking for very easy, very fast and delicious breakfast, here's the recipe. I'm making 5 minutes. I have toasted poha or chura, whatever you call rice flakes. We have it, eggs, onion, tomatoes, green chili, cilantro, turmeric and red chili. That's it. You don't need anything else. And let me show you guys how we can make very real quick. Already. Onion, nicely caramelized, some green chili and some tomatoes. I'm gonna add some turmeric, chili, some salt, then we're gonna add some egg here. Scramble, mix it nicely. And this is a little bit wet here, it's not very dry, so that time I have some toasted chura, like rice flakes, we're gonna add in here. And I'm going to drizzle some water here, and then because these rice flakes are a little bit crispy, we're gonna mix it up. Finally, already we are going to put some cilantro here. Mix it up. Alright, looks so good, so delicious.